Peace, love, wellness, and success. My name is Monte. I'm a natural wellness expert, meaning that I utilize natural protocols and tools such as fasting, herbs, plant-based nutrition, hot cold therapy, meditation, exercise, etc. in order to help individuals to heal themselves naturally. This is video number 2 in the build up to my most important workshop titled Melt the Belly Fat, which will be on August the 22nd, 10 a.m. Eastern. You guys who are dealing with the belly fat, we cannot afford to miss this. Invest in yourself by investing in your health. Now, it's estimated that 103 million Americans deal with high blood pressure. This is a direct correspondence to belly fat increase. With the circumference increase of 5% in men, they're 38% more likely to deal with high blood pressure. For women, respectively, it's 28% higher. Please invest in yourself. Sending you peace and love. Peace.